Today I'm going to show you how to add your Bitmoji to Google Slides. First, you need to download the Bitmoji app on your mobile device. Go ahead and create your account and personalize your Bitmoji. Next, install the Chrome Bitmoji extension, which I'll link down below. With those two steps complete, you're ready to add your Bitmoji. So now you have this little Bitmoji up here. I'm going to search for congratulations because you have added your Bitmoji. Find the one you like, click it, drag it, and then you can resize it. But wait, there's more. You can actually customize the text on your Bitmoji. So I can still search for congrats, but then you can add a name or other text. So congrats, Melissa! Click, drag, resize. This is a great way to spice up your Google Slides and even personalize them for students. So if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time. Bye everyone.